Good morning, friends. Myself, Dr. Almuthe Namdev Bhagwan, working as an assistant professor at Registration Samsthas, Anna Saravati College, Manchar. Today, we are going to study life cycle of sargassum, class TY-BSc, paper Cryptogamic Botany, unit Algae, subunit life cycle of sargassum. In the life cycle of sargassum, our points are systematic position, then occurrence, thallus structure, and reproduction. In it, firstly, we study the systematic position, or systematic position, or it is also called as taxonomic position or classification. Sargassum, they are included in the division algae, then class Phaeophyceae, order Phucales, family Sargassaceae, and genus Sargassum. This is the classification. Here, you know the characters of the algae. Algae are the chlorophyll bearing plants. Simple thallus. In algae, chlorophyll pigment is present. In algae, cell wall is made of a cellulose. Then about characters of algae, stored or reserved food material in the form of starch. Then class Phaeophyceae, or it is also called as brown algae. The members in which class included, they are called as brown algae. Here chromatophores, they are yellowish brown in color. Then photosynthetic reserved food material, they are in the form of laminarian starch. Then order Phucales. In order Phucales, the plant body is parenchymatous and asexual reproduction is absent. Then family Sargassaceae and genus Sargassum. Here characters are plant body is parenchymatous. It consists of a main axis. There is presence of receptacles. In the receptacles, conceptacles are present. Then plant body, they consist of air bladders. This is the systematic position or classification of Sargassum. It is a division algae, class Phaeophyceae, order Phucales, family Sargassaceae, and genus Sargassum. The next point, occurrence. This Sargassum, they are found in marine water, sea water. So, occurrence is marine habitat. It is found especially in east coast of India, west coast of India. Then they are also found in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. They are also found in southern hemisphere. In this way, this Sargassum, they are found in marine water or sea water. It never found in fresh water or other in habitats. The next point, thallus structure. The plant body of the Sargassum is thalloid. Thalloid means not differentiated into root, stem and leaves. That is called as thalloid plant body. It is macroscopic. We can easily identify the Sargassum plant. Then erect. It is erect. Also branched. There is presence of branching system. And at the basal side, there is a hold fast. At the basal side, there is a hold fast. And with the help of hold fast, it attaches to the substratum to anchor the substratum. It consists of a main axis. On the main axis, there is presence of branches, primary laterals, secondary laterals. Also, there is presence of a leaves-like structure. Not a leaves, but leaves-like structure. At the base of the leaf, there is presence of a air bladder. It helps for the floating on the water. Here, this is the plant body of Sargassum. It shows this is a main axis. At the basal side, there is a hold fast. This is called as hold fast. And this hold fast, it attaches to the substratum. It anchors to the substratum. At the above, there is a main axis. Plant body of the Sargassum is erect. thalloid, branched. This is called as primary lateral. Then there is a secondary lateral. On the primary lateral, there is presence of secondary lateral. Also, here leaf-like structure is present, and on the leaf-like structure, single midrib is present. Also, there is presence of a air bladder. Air bladder is present. In the air bladder, air is present. This sargassum plant, they also present of a receptacles. These are the receptacles. And in the receptacle, conceptacles are present. That is male conceptacle and female conceptacle. This is the external structure of the sargassum. Then we will be studying the internal structure. When we take the TS of the axis, it shows three parts. That is epidermis, then cortex and medulla. Epidermis, cortex and medulla. Epidermis, or it is also called as meristoderm. Meristoderm, the cells of the meristoderm, they are compactly arranged. On the epidermis, there is presence of a cuticle. Cuticle is present on the epidermis. Then next to the epidermis, there is a cortex. Cortex is made of a many cells, and cortex consists of a food material. Then in the center, there is a medulla, and medulla, it works function, that is the conduction of water and minerals. This is the structure of TS of axis, TS of main axis. Then next point, TS of leaf. When we take the TS of this leaf, it shows structure this like. That is, it shows epidermis, cortex and medulla. Here, epidermis is also called as meristoderm. It is here leaf. There is a isobilateral, means there is a upper epidermis, lower epidermis. Both the upper and lower epidermis, their cells, they are compactly arranged. On the upper epidermis and on the lower epidermis also, there is presence of cuticle. In between the upper and lower epidermis, there is a cortex, and cortex is multi-layered, and the cortex, it consists of a stored food material. In the center, there is a medulla. Medulla function as a conduction of water and minerals. Hence, this is the TS of leaf. Then TS of air bladder. TS of air bladder. When we take the section of the TS of air bladder, it shows as like to the TS of axis, except medulla is absent. Medulla is absent. Means TS of air bladder, it shows epidermis, cortex and air space or air cavity. TS of air bladder, when we take the section of the air bladder, it shows epidermis, cortex and air cavity. Same as like to TS of axis, except medulla, there is a air cavity. Means it shows epidermis or meristoderm, outermost layer, the cells of the epidermis, they are compactly arranged. On the epidermis, there is presence of cuticle. Then next to the epidermis, there is a cortex. Cortex is multi-layered, and cells of the cortex, they consist of a food material, and in the center there is a air cavity. This is the TS of air bladder. In this way, we study the internal structure, that is TS of axis, this, then TS of leaf, this figure, and then TS of air bladder. TS of air bladder and TS of axis, some different. That is, instead of medulla, there is presence of a air cavity. This is the anatomy or internal structure of the sargassum. The next point, reproduction. Reproduction means production of new individual. Production of new individual. In sargassum, reproduction takes place by vegetative method, then sexual method. Vegetative reproduction, Vegetative reproduction takes place by fragmentation. You know that fragmentation is the most common method. In fragmentation, what happens? That thalloid plant body, it breaks into a small pieces or into small fragments. Then each piece or each fragments, they gives rise to a new individual. That is called as vegetative reproduction by fragmentation. Then asexual reproduction. In sargassum, asexual reproduction is absent. In sargassum, asexual reproduction is absent. Then third, that is the sexual reproduction. In sargassum, sexual reproduction is oogamous type. Oogamous type means there is a male gamete, motile male gamete, and there is a female gamete, a non-motile female gamete. And fusion takes place between the motile male gamete and non-motile female gamete. That is called as oogamous sexual reproduction. In sargassum, reproductive organs, they are formed in the form of conceptacles. Conceptacles, they are present in the receptacles. Here these are the receptacles. In the receptacles, conceptacles are present. This is the male receptacle and this is a female receptacles. These receptacles, they are present in the hairs on this structure. In the receptacle, conceptacles are present. In the receptacle, conceptacles are present. This is the male receptacle. In the male receptacle, male conceptacles are present. Male conceptacles are present. It consists of a ostiole, or it is called as opening. Here is the antheridium. Then alternate, here is also antheridium. Stalk or antheridium. Stalk is present, therefore called as stalk or antheridium. Here is also antheridium. Alternate to this, there is a paraphysis. While this is a female receptacle, in the female receptacle, female conceptacles are present. It shows ostiole, means that is the opening. Here there is a oogonium. Alternate to this oogonium, there is also paraphysis. Here oogonium, they are sessile. Sessile means stalks are absent. Then what happens? These antheridium, it produces number of this antheridium, it produces number of antheridium, single antheridium. Antheridium, it consists of a antheridium mother cells. In that antheridium mother cells, reduction division takes place. It produces antherozoids or spermatozoids. Antherozoids or spermatozoids. Here, antherozoids or spermatozoids, they are flagellated by flagellated structure. While female receptacle, there is a female conceptacle. In the female conceptacle, that is the female reproductive organ, oogonium is present, and that oogonium, it produces an egg. Then there is a process of fertilization. At the time of process of fertilization, what happens? That is the motile antherozoids, they come over the female conceptacle. At that time, the nucleus of the antherozoids and nucleus of an egg fuse together and form a zygote. And zygote is the diploid in nature. Then in that zygote, further development takes place, and it develops into a new individual, into new plant, new adult plant. See here, this is the life cycle of sargassum. Sargassum plant, which is a diploid plant. On that sargassum plant, there is formation of male reproductive organ and female reproductive organ. Male reproductive organ is called as male conceptacle, and female reproductive organ is called as female conceptacle. Here, male conceptacle, it produces antheridia, number of antheridia. While female conceptacle, it produces number of oogonia. Then in the antheridia as well as in oogonia, meiosis takes place, reduction division takes place. Antheridia, it produces sperms or antherozoids. These antherozoids or spermatozoids, they are biflagellated. Motile and biflagellated. Uninucleate and biflagellated. While Oogonia, it produces an egg. Then fertilization, process of fertilization. In the process of fertilization, what happens? That is the nucleus of the antherozoids and nucleus of an egg fuse together and form a zygote. Zygote is a diploid structure. Then that zygote, it divides and redivides and forms a new individual. That is a new plant, new sargassum plant. This is the diploid phase and it is a haploid phase. In the life cycle of the sargassum, only gamete, that is the antherozoids or sperms and egg, it is haploid, and except this, all other is a diploid phase. This diploid phase produces haploid phase, haploid phase produces diploid phase. It alternately takes place. That is called as alternation of generation. Here, this sargassum plant, it produces reproductive organ, that is the male conceptacle, female conceptacle. Then male conceptacle produces antheridia, female conceptacle produces oogonia. Then meiosis or reduction division. It forms the haploid sperms, haploid eggs. Then fertilization. After fertilization, it forms zygote. Zygote is diploid structure. It again forms new plant. It continuously takes place. That is called as life cycle of sargassum. This sargassum plant, it is economically important. They are used in for the preparation of alginate and alginic acid. It is used for in the preparation of alginic and alginates. Alginates and alginic acid. Then another use is the food. Some coastal peoples, they use as a food. They prepare their vegetables. Then third use is the fodder. Some people they use the sargassum for cattle purpose as a fodder. This is the economic importance. In this way, today we study the life cycle of sargassum. In the life cycle of sargassum, we study points: systematic position, occurrence, thallus structure. In thallus structure, external morphology, internal morphology, then reproduction. In reproduction, vegetative reproduction, then sexual reproduction. Then lastly, we study the economic importance of uses of sargassum. In this way, this is the life cycle of sargassum. Okay.